Welcome to our instant rice meal factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how millions of rice meal boxes are made every day.
Through precise control of the steam and temperature, our automated systems guarantee the ideal texture and consistency for every kilogram. Every meal is carefully portioned to ensure consistent quality and flavor. Every rice meal is inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how millions of instant rice meal boxes are made every day. From raw rice grains to convenient, ready-to-eat meals enjoyed around the world.